Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley P. Deck. Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and they sent me over this beautiful 12-inch Malaysian highlight brown bob. This one here has a drawstring in the back. She comes with the pre-everything cap construction and she fits 100% glueless. So you'll see me do a very easy put on and go style with this one where I literally will put the wig on. No glue, no spray, no gel. I don't even think I tinted the lace. I'm just gonna bump the ends and just give it my little splash and go, and then you'll see me come back from going, and I'm gonna go ahead and melt the lace and add just a little bit of lace tint and baby hair so you can see the difference. To be 100% honest, I think she was even more fly before I added the baby hair, the lace tint, or even the melting spray, but you guys will for sure let me know down below. This one here has a 1 to 2 year lifespan with great care, and she is absolutely flawless. You don't have to cut her, cut lace, bleach knots, none of that at all. So if you're a beginner or just a lazy wig wearer, this one here is for you. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link in all the details down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay love bugs, happy Monday to me and happy whatever day it is for you, whenever or wherever you are watching this video. Today I did go ahead and wash and condition my hair in the shower. Didn't do a pre-poo or a deep condition, just got right to it. But I do want to make a promise to myself that this summer, which basically starts now for me, I do want to wash my hair once a week, maybe every Monday or every Sunday. Even if it is just a shower wash, try to pre-poo and do the whole thing, like an overnight pre-poo, and then do the whole thing just to get my hair out of the braids and give it a rest from the usual. But today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig, as you already know, and we are going Babiana. The girls have auditions for dance today. I'm trying not to overshare on the hair content anymore because we are vlogging, but make sure you tune in because we literally have to leave in like 8 minutes in order to get there. I have the electric hot comb and the flat iron already heating up, but I do want to show you guys this beautiful girl before we get into it. We're going with the bob and a little bit of color. Look at that, that beautiful brown highlight. It's very, very professional, well blended. It's gonna give. I also got a new robe. It's an evil eye robe. I feel like I need a lot of evil eye in my life right now. I need an evil eye everywhere I go. But I just like the robe in general. It's viral from maybe like a year or two ago, but popped up on Amazon and I bought it. I'll have it linked down below. Mine does have a hood, so it can work like to go swimming or like at the spa. Really, really cute, and I'm in love with it, so you'll be seeing it a lot. But this is our gorgeous girl here. When you remove the paper, you can see this is a pre-everything wig. They have it set as a bust down middle part, but you can do a side part with this one. It is a frontal, so you have lace literally from ear to ear, and if you look, you can go pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. It has that gorgeous scallop cut to act like a little camo. Also, it's blended really well, but they do slow down on that highlight when you get to the root. This is going to help it to look better because sometimes I feel like when the highlight goes all the way to the root, sometimes it makes the wig look a little less than, maybe a little bit cheap if you will. So that kind of gives it that class and just makes it so that you can wear the wig with no makeup and it's no issue. This is definitely a beautiful work safe wig, and this is what she looks like from the inside. As I mentioned, this is a frontal. You get your bang for your buck, or your most parting it down that center, but you have like the sides to be able to do like your really nice good baby hair and sideburns should you wish. And even with this type of frontal, you can still do like a really nice side part, so that is amazing. From there you go here and you have your adjustable and removable elastic band. From here you also have a smaller comb at the nape, as well as the adjustable straps, as well as a drawstring. So this is a drawstring wig. Almost forgot to mention, you do have two smaller combs up top as well. So I am going to go ahead and adjust the strap and the elastic band here, and then I'm going to adjust the band or the straps. And then as far as the drawstring goes, this is the drawstring here. You can pull on it and you can adjust, and you can get it super duper tight so you can keep going. Okay, so here you can see I adjusted that drawstring, and look at how small we got this wig. I mean, literally newborn head size, right? I'm gonna go let it go a little bit so we can put her on, and then we'll adjust her when we put the wig on together. But for right now, we're gonna go through the package. They gave us this cute little dust bag, and the wig was in this. They gave us some nice brown wig caps, which you are going to use today. And then here, this is like an info card, and it lets us know this is a silky textured 12-inch in length Malaysian origin wig. She has a 1 to 2 year lifestyle under good care. And then the color of mine is same as picture. It does come in a few different options. And then also this is a size 1 cap, a 21.5 to 22 cap construction. We also also did get a rat tail comb as always. So let's put on a wig cap and get started. Now with the wig, let's put her on. Okay, love bugs, this is what she looks like on straight out of the box. I like to take a wig brush and just brush her down and around to see what we're working with. This is what she looks like from the back. My braids aren't super flat, but they definitely are flatter than they were a while ago. You could flip it up. So this is the drawstring. You grab the stopper, which is here, and you can pull and just make it literally as tight as you want. You can decide if that's tight enough, and then you can lift and tuck it back under. Even from the side, let's say you're out and about and you decide you're about to get on a ride or you're about to do something fun and you want to make sure you're protected, or like it's tight enough, or if it's too tight you want to loosen it up, you can literally reach from under. You can grab that drawstring from the front, pull it, and you can like literally adjust it just the same. And then also still you can lift and tuck. Also you can bring it down really good and use that comb to go into your nape, and you're literally good to go. Here's a look at the hairline. I didn't even realize it from the camera. I think I'm starting to need glasses. But pull that wig cap back so you cannot see it. You want the lace to kind of sit on the skin, and that's what's gonna make the lace super duper duper HD. It literally is the same color as my skin without that being there. We have sideburns here, but because we pulled drawstring and the strap back, it kind of pulls the sideburns back, so kind of release that if you really want that baby hair or that sideburns on the side. Me, I don't really care for those, so I'm gonna cut these ear tabs off. And when I call them ear tabs, they literally are like a little space that comes a little bit lower down. Yes, baby! Don't step on the trail. And that's what that looks like. We have to go. So now mine is a lot more flush. You may want to add a little bit of lace tint to set it off, but I literally think we are good to go. So next I'm going to take the rat tail comb they provided and comb it out. You can see it has a lot of definition to it. If you want to do a side part, this will look really good set as like a really nice side part. Look at how gorgeous that is. Also, I feel like you can extend the parting back a little bit. There's so much parting space there, so if you really want to, you can definitely bring it back. I'm going to lightly do the dynamic duo. Because this is a bob, you don't want to put too much. Here's a quick look at the difference. Look at how flat and smooth that is. And this was cool before, but now that you see this, you know this is way better, right? So let's do the side. Gorgeous this is. I mean, the cut is flawless. We were able to style this one 100% glueless, and she literally eats down. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And she is 100% glueless. I love this girl so much. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. We were able to install this one in less than 15 minutes. She's 100% glueless. We didn't use any glue, any gel, any spray. We didn't even add any baby hair or any lace tint. And look how flawless she is. Right now, I'll insert a clip of what it looks like with the lace tint. I like it like this, gives it a little personality. As you guys can see, it makes a difference, but you don't need it at all. So if you are a beginner or even intermediate or just a lazy wig wearer and you don't want to do the most, this is the perfect wig for you. I will have this wig linked down below with all of the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.